I could definitely eat this all day. This is like one of the best things I've had. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a street food known as Arrustuti e Mancia in Palermo, which means eat and drink, or Catanese onions in Catania. So I forgot to say the other day when I filmed this that it's actually called Arrustuti or Arrusti e Mancia, which actually means grill and eat, but it can be called bevi e mancia, which does mean eat and drink. This dish is common in both cities as a street food, and especially in Palermo, families will make it at home or out when they are barbecuing for special occasions. So traditionally, it is definitely a barbecue dish, but if you're making it at home where you don't have a barbecue, you can also use a grill pan or bake them in the oven, which is what I opted to try this time. And in the future, I might also try the grill pan, and if I'm lucky enough, a barbecue. These are the ingredients for the Arrusti e Mancia. I'm going to start by setting the oven to 425 degrees. Now I am trimming both ends of the spring onions, and then I am cutting the spring onions in half. Now I'm going to start wrapping the bacon around the onion. And it looks like I'm going to have to use 2 pieces per onion, so I might have to buy more bacon to use up all of these onions. Now I'm going to sprinkle them with some salt. And now I'm putting them on the top rack of the oven for 15 minutes, and I'm going to turn them halfway through. So they're about halfway done, and I'm just flipping them over. Here we go. Those look amazing. So because not all the recipes I read on this mentioned squeezing lemon on top, I'm just going to try the small one first without the lemon juice. And this is so scrumptious. Oh my god. Sweet and salty bacon. You already know. I'm really excited to try it with some lemon juice squeezed on. So now I'm trying a piece with the lemon juice. Even better. The lemon juice adds the tanginess to the sweet and salty bacon. Oh my god. I could definitely eat this all day. This is like one of the best things I've had. Thank you for joining me on this journey to make Arrustuti e Mancia. I really recommend you try this. It's so amazing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.